In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product in GoDaddy website. Start by opening your browser and searching for GoDaddy. Click the official GoDaddy website, then sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your account name to open the menu. From there, choose My Products. This takes you to a page that lists everything connected to your account. Find the domain or website you want to work on and select it. Click Manage to open the dashboard for that specific site. Inside the dashboard, look for the Store option and select it. This brings you into your store tools. Next, choose Products. This is where all your items live and where you can create new ones. Click Add a Product to start a fresh listing. Begin with the product name. Keep it clear and descriptive so customers can recognize it at a glance, and so it shows up well in search. Next, write the product description. Aim for concise, helpful details. What it is, who it's for, key features, sizing or specs, materials, and any notable benefits. If something matters to a buyer's decision, include it here. Now enter the product category. Click into the product category field to open the list and select the best fit. Choosing the right category helps organize your store and improves how customers browse and filter. It's time to add media. High-quality images make a big difference. Click Add Images, then, if prompted, click Add Images again to select multiple files from your computer. Choose clear, well-lit photos that show the product from different angles. After you pick them, click Insert to bring the images into your product listing. Make sure the primary image is the one that best represents the item. Next, enter the price. Type the amount you want to charge and double-check the currency displayed by your store. Keep your pricing format consistent and verify there are no extra zeros or typos. When everything looks good, name, description, category, images, and price, click Save. Saving creates the product in your catalog so you can use it across your store pages. If you plan to fine-tune later, that's fine. You can reopen the product at any time to adjust text, swap images, or refine details without starting over. That's it. You searched for GoDaddy, signed in, opened My Products, chose your domain, managed the site, entered the store, navigated to products, added a product, filled in the key details, uploaded images, set the price, and saved your work. Your new product is now ready inside your GoDaddy store.